Today we're at Oxford Sewage Treatment Works, which is a Thames Water facility. Behind me you'll see a sludge digester, which is effectively a large pressure cooker which processes raw sludge as part of the secondary treatment on site. Over time these digesters corrode quite badly. You get cracking, wear and tear on assets. A typical life of a digester will be 30 years. The conventional cost of a civils repair on this asset would be typically 100,000 plus. To replace the asset on a 30-year cycle would be around about £1 million, and obviously you'd have to demolish the existing asset and take a process offline to achieve that. The solution that Adler Allan offer is to use our polyurea coatings, our Adler Allan coating, to effectively top hat the asset and to extend asset life. Typically, by top hatting this with Adler Allan polyurea coating, in normal working conditions we'd expect to get a 15 to 20 year extension of asset life for the digester at a cost which is some 33% below a civils remediation. So first and foremost, we've been on site today making sure all the guys have been inducted on site, the scaffolding's been erected and checked, so we're good to start work tomorrow. That work will commence with shot blasting the old coatings and preparing the substrate so that we can identify any civils repairs that will need to be done. We'll then apply a primer to enhance the adhesion qualities that we get to the concrete structure. With Adler Allan coating, it is essential that you get the substrate right, and 80% of the process is preparation of the substrate to make sure you get good adhesion. And finally, we will then apply a 2 to 3 mil coating of polyurea, which will give the durability for the asset and extend the asset life. The polyurea has a very quick cure off typically within 5 minutes, and hard cures within 48 hours. So great advantage of using Adler Allan's polyurea for the extension of asset life on this is that there's no need to take the asset down. In fact, the asset actually stays running while we're applying the polyurea, with the caveat that we reduce the pressure just to relieve tension on the polyurea. This is a great example of where Adler Allan are adding value to the water sector. It's akin to what the regulator is challenging the water sector to do, to be more efficient and to adopt a TOTEX approach to contracting. Adler Allan are very proud to be associated with that work and with working with Thames Water and maintaining the serviceability of their assets for the customers of Thames Water.